Murray Trailers is in Stockton, California, so we're in the Central Valley of California. We're about an hour south of Sacramento. Murray was started by Harley Murray. He couldn't find a trailer in the market that suited what he wanted. So he decided to build this trailer where he could basically drive equipment onto the trailer. So you hear about heavy haulers, low bed, Lowboy. That's all the terminology for the trailer we manufacture, and that's all directly correlated to Harley Murray. What we've always strived to do here is build a trailer that's the strongest trailer on the market and the lightest trailer on the market. It gives the customer the ability to haul heavier weight, better revenue because of the weight that they can haul. When we start getting into engineering and we start looking at materials, what we want to use was when we met some Strenx people at the Connex in 2020. What we were going to get from Strenx was what intrigued us, because if we get heavy, we're no different than anybody else. It made sense to go to a material that's consistently nominal. You're ordering a quarter plate, you should be getting a quarter plate. You shouldn't be getting 0.28 to 0.30. At least with the Strenx, we know what we're getting every time. 100% of this gooseneck is Strenx. On the top flanges, it's the Strenx 900, and everything else would be the 110. We're reducing the amount of weight we're putting in the trailer without sacrificing any strength. Strenx is helping us in the manufacturing process to continue building durable, long-lasting trailers for our customers without compromising the weight. I can't count how many times I've had a guy call me for a quote on a trailer and said, this is my forever trailer.